In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Blue Cross Blue Shield Health Insurance. No fluff, just the facts. So you're thinking about BCBS, or maybe you already have it and want to know if it's solid or sorta meh. Let's spill the tea. First up, the good. BCBS is everywhere, like all 50 states, DC, Puerto Rico, even some international coverage. That means whether you're in a big city or some quiet town, chances are your doc's in-network. They've got massive provider networks working with over 90% of doctors and hospitals across the country. So you're not stuck hunting for someone who takes your card. That's legit peace of mind. BCBS also gives you tons of plan options. Individual, family, employer-sponsored, Medicare Advantage, Medicaid, PPO, HMO, EPO, you name it. So whatever your situation is, they probably have something that fits. It's flexible and customizable, which is a huge plus. Also, the perks aren't bad at all. We're talking preventive care, 24/7 nurse lines, telehealth visits, and discounts on gyms, fitness gear, wellness products, and more through Blue 365. They've also got a strong mobile app and online tools to track claims, find providers, and manage your health. It's pretty user-friendly. But here's the deal. It's not all sunshine. Premiums can be on the pricey side, especially if you want lower deductibles. And since BCBS is actually made up of independent companies by region, your experience can vary a lot depending on where you live. Some BCBS branches are top-rated and super responsive, while others get slammed with customer service complaints. Also, keep an eye out for ghost networks. You might see mental health providers listed as in-network, but when you try to book, crickets. Some people also get surprise bills for stuff they thought was fully covered. So always read the fine print and double-check what's actually included. So is Blue Cross Blue Shield worth it? If having a wide provider network, multiple plan types, and solid digital tools matter to you, it's definitely a strong choice. But take time to compare plans in your specific state because experiences really vary. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Blue Cross Blue Shield or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I've got more no BS reviews and helpful breakdowns coming your way. Don't miss them.